In this video, I'll show you how to allow camera access on Snapchat. So whether you're getting this error message right here or you're getting an error message relating to Snapchat not being able to access the camera, then there's actually a quick and easy way to fix this. So all you need to do is head over to the Settings app on your phone and scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Apps. Now once again, scroll all the way down until you see the Snapchat application, and then we're just going to click on it like so. So underneath this section, allow Snapchat to access, you need to make sure you have both the camera and the microphone enabled like so. If you don't see the camera or microphone option inside of here, then what you need to do is you need to turn off your phone for 30 seconds and then turn it back on, and then you should have both of these options appear. Now if I head back over to Snapchat, that should have now fixed the error message. So you can see now my camera is working absolutely fine. If that still doesn't solve the issue, the last thing you can try doing is heading back over to the settings menu, scroll down into General and then select Software Update. And just ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes if you have outdated software, this can also cause this issue. And that's it guys, hopefully by following all these steps that's now fixed the camera access issue in Snapchat. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.